Hey guys, in this video, we will follow along our Claude Code Basics course. We are on module 2.5 and I'll show you how to talk to Claude Code, how to talk to your code actually, right? By pointing to your files, by actually attaching screenshots, right? To help Claude Code with exactly where you want to go. Okay, please continue watching. So in this video, we are on 2.5, right? I will demo how to talk to your code, right? Screenshots and files, right? So let's go to so these are the steps I will show you, right? Let's go to actual Claude Code, right? I prepped up this demo so that it's just easier to follow, right? So let me first run a demo so you can see what's really happening. There's an app which is running and we're going to make changes to that app, right? Using the concept is talk to your code. Okay, so let me copy this. Let me go to the terminal. I can stop the previous one. We make it bigger, right? So I'm in the right folder. Let me just show you. I'm in the demo habit tracker. Okay, directory. There is styles.css. There is index.html there, and there is app.js. 3 files. Okay, let's go back. And so let me run this. I'm running Python here again for the local server. It's running now. I go back. I should be able to open this. Make it a little smaller and copy this. Okay, so let's see if we can the header, cards and buttons are jammed together right now. Let's take a look again. I don't see them jammed, but let's see how it changes it. Okay, let's assume they're jammed. So we'll point to this file and we'll ask it to add more spacing, right? So I will say add. So add is just pointing out to a file within your project. So it's in this folder and it's styles.css, right? So, and I will say add more spacing. Okay. So let's take a look at this. I can see it's a little bit cramped on the top, right? So let's see how it changes it. Okay, so let's refresh it. Okay, I see what it is, right? So previously you could see it was all crammed in the first half of the page. Now it is a little bit more Let me just make it smaller. So this is more spread out. It's more cleaner. It's more calm, right? Okay, so that was that. Then let's go back to the talk to your code, right? So we looked at how we can just point to a file and tell Claude what to do. Let's just do app.js and see and ask Claude to explain it, right? So let's just do at this app.js, please explain the file. Okay, so okay, here is demo habit tracker, okay, app.js in plain English, right? This is the whole brain of the habit tracker. The big picture, the file keeps a list of habits in memory, saves it to browser so it survives a refresh, and redraws the screen whenever anything changes. Okay, so basically it can remember. The idea was, okay, can you explain the file? You can read more, but you get the point, right? And then let's just do a screenshot and okay, so for example, right, let's go here, right? I mean, I don't see a bug here, but the same concept applies. Let me just make a copy of let me just copy the screen. So I do command shift dollar, right? I'm on Mac. You can use snippet on Windows, right? So I copied this, I save it into, it saves to my desktop, right? And then let me go here and let me just upload from computer. And I have, most likely it's this one, yes. So what changes do I want, right? The idea is if you see a bug or if you want to make changes, you can feed a screenshot. So I do not like the color. Can you change to green from yellow, right? Just a very basic kind of a command. So it's explaining, by the way, where the yellow is coming. It's coming from the CSS file in 2 lines. It's just going to swap that. So this is the actual swap it is recommending. It's already done. Let's go back. Let's refresh this and see all the yellow changed to green. And actually this is much more soothing to the eyes anyway, right? So let's go back to a lesson and the same thing applies, right? If I wanted to grab some screenshot and tell it to kind of design or put the index.html similar to that. So let's, for example, right? Let's just take this. Okay, let's take this. Let's do this. I'll copy this. And I will say, let me attach the file. Can you... Actually, it's not going to fully apply because the index.html here is meant for the habit tracker, right? So if I was going to feed in some screenshot, it should be more aligned. But let's just, for demo purpose only, can you change the index.html to first load the attached design and a link to then move to the actual habit tracker. Okay, so this is what I'm telling it. Let's see, it's a little convoluted, but it's just for the concept, I think it should work. And let's see how smart Claude Code is, right? I mean, it knows I'm trying to demo it. So let's see how it can be creative. I gave it some idea, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's gonna rebuild. It grasped the idea which I was giving it. This is just a makeshift, right? Just a demo, right? I mean, technically or ideally it doesn't make sense, but just so that you understand the concept and you understand what all is possible when you talk to your code. Okay, let's review it. It's almost done. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so we were here. So see, what was the idea? It takes my design, right, from that screenshot I gave. So it built something, habit tracker, home, habits, streak. So the design is like more in line with, but the design came from Vibe the Coder, but it has modified it for this. Like, so let's just, if we click this, it opens the actual habit tracker, right? So I just wanted to show you how you can actually even build a new index.html, new design by feeding things which you like from screenshots. Okay, thanks.